Some time ago, when I was in middle school, I learned about free writing and my unlimited ability to express myself in writing. I can write about anything. Little did I know back then, writing out your thoughts has a strong creative power. And after years of study, learning, and practice, I discovered a powerful secret. From there, I learned different writing techniques that retrained my mindset and even manifested a new life. I learned different ways to use journaling as a therapy, a mindset training tool, and a great tool to practice self-love. And after some time of journaling, I began to notice changes happening around me, and I even began feeling more joy. And after a few months of journaling daily, like magic, my life began to steadily improve, and something amazing happened. I began to experience more inner peace, have better control of my thoughts, and even became more grateful and less angry about things in life, which actually felt so good. And I just knew from there I was hooked. But I didn't stop there. I decided that I have to share this powerful and life-changing information with as many people that would hear it. So it became my passion and my mission to help you and others like you to achieve this feel-good and life-changing results. And so, The Secret Power of Journaling was written, along with some specially designed guided journals called the Flowers for Life series, to help guide you toward giving yourself the flowers of self-love and the appreciation you deserve. The Secret Power of Journaling gains so much positive feedback and has people super excited to learn and practice these powerful writing tools and create change in their lives, inside and out. So let us show you how to take your power back and create more of what you want to experience, like more self-love and manifesting happiness now. You can get your copy today, The Secret Power of Journaling. Visit manifesthappinessnow.com and even get your free ebook, The 7 Seeds of Self-Love.